How long have you been doing this?
About 5 years.
5 years? Why do you do it?
Adrenaline.
The course is always changing because of the water. So the first lap it may be nice, second lap the rougher it gets, the water is always changing, so the boat always handles differently. So you gotta get used to the way the boat handles, in all different sorts of water to be competitive.
It's very hard to pass somebody when you've got a wall of water coming at you, so that's pretty hard to do. But if you're in the front, you got clean water. In the back, you got a tough feet to get around people.